Okay, the very first thing you do is you go to your Excel sheet like we got here and you highlight what you want to make a web page. Next thing you do is you click on copy. Now you got the little ants marching and then you go to file, save as. I always save it at desktop, so you want to click where, and then this thing will pop up. Once this pops up, it says save as type. You want to hit web page, and then this thing on the bottom pops up. Instead of, you don't want to save the entire workbook, you want to save the selection that you highlighted, and then you click on publish. Once you do that, it tells you this is where you will publish it by clicking publish. I always click on open published web page in browser because you'll get to see if it looks right as soon as you hit publish. So once you hit publish, let's go to the web page. I had to replace the file, and here's what it looks like. It looks exactly like it looked on the Excel thing. The next thing you want to do is you want to right click and go to view page source, and that's when you get all this stuff. You want to copy now the whole thing except for these three lines at the top. So you start at head and you go all the way down to the bottom except for body and HTML. Those two things down here you don't want. So now you've highlighted almost everything. You right click and you click on copy. Once you've done that, let's go to your web page. Let's go to My Leagues, SAFL, and then you go to For Commissioners, Setup, find an empty one, number 12. In your case, we don't want the editor, so you want to turn the source off. So now there's nothing, and now you just paste this whole code in there. And it's all ready to go except for one thing. You got to find this body thing, and here's how you do it. You hit Control F and that thing pops up, and you want to find BODY, this, in the thing. There it is, because you have to delete it. So once you delete it, then let's call this thing Jeff, and we will update this message, and there it is. It's now saved. Now let's add to League's homepage. We might as well, and when you do that, you come all the way down here, and there's Jeff, and I already added it to the main, so it's already there. And then you save the homepage setup, and we'll look at the League home, and there it is at the bottom with all the instructions, and I am done.